I think what my wife means to say is that we moved from...
Moved from where? Married when? Damn it, why?
Oh, Arthur, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Is this gonna happen?
Am I dead?
No. Why would you think that?
Because you are.
We happy meet you. Thanks.
Oh. We are the Bettermans.
Better man?
Emphasis on the better.
Is that your home?
Kind of big, isn't it?
Hey, girl.
Another teenage girl.
Yeah?
A girl.
Friend! I've never had a girlfriend before! Me either, me either! What do we do? What do we say to each other without making our voices? Let's get it on! I don't know if cave people belong in a modern world.
What's your problem, big guy? This place is changing everyone.
Guy?
You took Dawn for a joyride. The Bettermans built the wall for a reason. That's not good.
The only way to survive is if the pack stays together.
In such a dangerous world, I worry about my family too.
What's that?
Kill circle. Today is a good day to die!
Hey everyone, you'll never guess what I found out!
Sergeant.
You handsome. No, I like it.
Time isn't the problem.
Aimed such destruction. You must reunite it with its own kind.
Where?
This you must determine. The songs of eons past tell of battles between Mandalore the Great and an order of sorcerers called Jedi.
You expect me to search the galaxy and deliver this creature to a race of enemy sorcerers?
This is the way.
This is the way.
It's not over yet. Not for me.
There is a larger world beyond these walls. A world filled with dangers you can't yet imagine. An ancient knowledge long gone from this world. That strange and mysterious talent you possess may be the key to unlocking this dormant power. Your potential